Welcome to Facts Before Fantasy.
Nikola Tesla is often portrayed as the man who discovered free energy, a visionary genius whose work was deliberately suppressed by powerful interests. According to the popular story, Tesla unlocked limitless power, tried to give it to the world, and was stopped because there was no way to profit from it. To understand what Tesla actually achieved, and why the myth persists, we must separate engineering from legend, and physics from wishful thinking. Tesla's true revolution was not free energy. It was alternating current. In the late 19th century, electricity existed, but it could not travel far. Direct current systems lost power rapidly over distance, making large-scale electrification impractical. Tesla solved this by developing the Polyphase alternating current system. By using rotating magnetic fields, Tesla made electric motors more efficient, eliminated mechanical brushes, and enabled high-voltage transmission over hundreds of miles. This was not theoretical. It worked. It powered cities, factories, and eventually the modern world. Every power grid on Earth still operates on this principle today. Tesla's most ambitious project was the Wardenclyffe Tower in New York. It is often described as a failed free energy machine. In reality, it was something far more specific. Wardenclyffe was designed to transmit energy wirelessly, not to create it. Tesla believed that the Earth and its ionosphere formed a giant electrical system, something like a spherical capacitor. By injecting high-frequency alternating currents into the ground, he hoped to create standing electrical waves that could travel across the planet. Any properly tuned receiver, in theory, could draw power from this system. Importantly, the energy still had to come from generators. Coal, water, or other conventional sources would supply it. Tesla was attempting to replace wires, not physics. So where does the idea of free energy come from? Tesla often used the word free, but not in the modern pseudoscientific sense. He meant free access, like broadcast radio or public roads. Energy would be paid for through infrastructure, not metered at the point of use. He did not believe energy could be created from nothing. His patents and writings consistently obey the laws of thermodynamics. Energy dissipates. Power spreads out. Losses increase with distance. The real problem with Wardenclyffe was efficiency. Wireless transmission over long distances leaked enormous amounts of energy into the ground and atmosphere. The physics worked, but not well enough to compete with copper wires. There is no credible evidence that Tesla's work was deliberately buried to hide a working free energy system. His designs were reviewed. His papers were studied. Many ideas were simply impractical, unsafe, or too expensive at the time. Others were overtaken by simpler technologies, especially wired electrical grids and radio communication. Tesla also struggled financially and often overestimated what could be achieved with the materials and knowledge of his era. Vision alone was not enough. He was not silenced. He lectured publicly, patented extensively, and spoke openly until the end of his life. Ironically, Tesla's vision is being realized today, just not in the way conspiracy stories imagine. Wireless power exists, but over short distances, using resonant inductive coupling. Renewable energy systems now decentralize power generation. Smart grids distribute electricity dynamically across vast regions. Tesla was not a wizard whose secrets were stolen. He was a pioneer who saw a future that engineering could not yet support. His greatest gift was not a hidden machine, but a way of thinking, the realization that the world is an interconnected electromagnetic system, governed not by mystery, but by discoverable laws. The truth is less dramatic than the myth. But it is far more impressive.